All right, we're back. Let's finish the rest of the homeworks. So, this is number 6. Let's take a look at this question. It says, below is a graph that shows the lifespan in years of several animals. Question A says, a student argues that the queen ant lives twice as long as the hamster. Is this student correct? Explain why or why not. So, we need to first figure out how long does the hamster live. You can see that's 6 years. It lines up with 6. How about queen ant? 12 years, right? It lines up with 12. So the student argued that the queen ant lived twice as long as the hamster. The hamster needs to be times 2. What is 6 times 2? Does that equal 12? We know that 6 plus 6 is 12. So this is actually true here. Therefore, we can say the student is correct. Why or why not? We gotta explain, right? Because twice the 6 is 12. That means restate the question, right? The queen ant lives twice as long as the hamster. All right, that's how you do part A. Part B, what conclusion can you draw about animals' lifespan from this graph? List two conclusions. You know there's many things you can write, okay? You can just compare any two of them. Let's look at mouse and hamster. Which one lives longer? Obviously, since the column for the hamster is longer than the mouse, we know that they live longer. Okay? According to this graph. So you're going to say hamster lives longer than mouse. That's fine. That can be one of your, two conclusions. Let's look at queen ant and octopus. Which one is longer? Obviously queen ant, right? You can just say queen ant lives longer than octopus. That's it. There are your two things. And that's how you do number 6. Let's look at number 7 and 8 for a second. These two questions bring us all the way back to the beginning of the unit. All right? We're talking about write a word problem that illustrates a subtraction and addition problem. This is really simple. Whenever you have addition and subtraction problems, remember the key words we use to identify subtraction and addition. For subtraction, it would be take away. For addition, it would be more. Oh, this is bad for Mr. Wong. All right, more. So, what do we say? Make up some name, anybody's name. How about just say I? I have, use the first word, 8 balls. That's the first thing you say. Second thing, I take away 2 of the balls. Question at the end, always. How many balls do I have left? All right, that's it. Pretty straightforward for the subtraction problem. How about for an addition? Same thing. It's almost exactly the same. I have 8 balls. The second thing is what is different. The second sentence. I got 2 more balls from my friend. Let's just say friend. Last sentence, a question. How many balls do I have in all? Okay, that's it. Remember, we got to practice these type of sentences: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, so that we know how to construct them. And when we read a question like this on a test, we can identify what operations to use. Thank you so much. Have a good week.